everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video. So I'm just going to go to my camera and I'm going to make a quick YouTube video. So you can make a quick YouTube video, be like, hey everyone, I'm making a quick YouTube video. And just make sure it's long enough so you can see this one's only like 6 or 7 seconds long. And then you can, bring your camera around. So you can decide if you want a short by making it up and down like this. Or if you, turn it the horizontal way, you can make it a long form video too. So once you get your video, just press pause right here. And let's go on over to the YouTube app now. So here's YouTube app. Open this up. Now, right on the bottom of the app, you can see this little plus icon. So right here, plus icon, hit this. And then you can go to your video now. So
you can make a quick YouTube video, be like, hey everyone.
Since I did it up and down, it's going to be like in the short format. If I do it horizontally, it's going to be in the long format. So decide what kind of format you want. So I can go back to a different one here.
This came with it or not? I'm not sure what.
In the long format here. And you can still make this into a short if you want. But let's go back to this one.
So you can make a quick.
And then we can decide how we want to trim it. And then we can go to next.
So you can make a quick YouTube.
So let's pause this and you can add text, filter, all these different options over here. You can add sound. And then we can go to next. And then you can decide the title on the top here. Making a YouTube video or something like that. Let's just use the voice icon. Making a YouTube video. And then make sure it's public. So let's just stop this so it stops reading what I say. So make it public. Then you got location, select the audience. And then once we have everything turned on, we can upload the short. So once you have it uploaded, it should be added to your channel now. And you can see it's uploading right here. And I just do random stuff on this channel. But you should be able to see this now. Just make sure you're on the correct channel page. So mine is here. So you can go to the bottom right. There it is. And you can switch accounts if you're not. So you can upload more. You can upload numerous ones at the same time. So just select the video. And then you can share it with people once you have it uploaded. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.